Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. Today's I would like to show to you a tutorial on how to see the unusual activity on your Instagram. So if you guys may be wondering if your Instagram profile has been hacked, or there are some unusual activity or suspicious activity in your Instagram, you need to be careful, and I want to show you how you can detect or you can see the unusual activity. So first you need to open your Instagram and then go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top, and here choose your activity. Okay, so in here in the your activity, you can just click or see your account history. So the in the account history right here, you can review changes that you've been made to your account since you create your account. So by clicking on this, okay, you can see what changes you've made on your account. But if you don't feel like, for example, I don't feel like I've changed my bio, so you need to be careful. Maybe someone has been use your Instagram in other devices. Okay, so you can just scroll down to see the activity history or the account history on your Instagram. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can see the unusual activity on your Instagram. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.